Welcome to part 23 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Publish. Publish. The school will publish the new storybook next month. Monitor. Monitor. The teacher will monitor the class while they take the test. Appreciate. Appreciate. I appreciate my friend's help when I'm stuck with my homework. Encourage. Encourage. Parents encourage their kids to try new things. Restrict. Restrict. We have to restrict the amount of time we play video games. Repeat. Repeat. The teacher asked us to repeat the poem again. Illustrate. Illustrate. She likes to illustrate stories by drawing pictures. Remove. Remove. He will remove the stickers from his book cover. Recommend. Recommend. I recommend trying the new game, it's fun. Expand. Expand. The balloon will expand when you blow air into it. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.